Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Deep in the jungle at the break of day, a little train whistled on its way. Choo-choo echoes through the trees, rolling forward with the jungle breeze. The engine shined in golden light, puffing clouds both soft and white. Monkey waved from a wooden beam, hop on board the jungle dream. Snake slithered near the railway track, watching the train go clickety-clack. He lifted his head with gentle sway. Mind if I ride along today? Parrot soared with wings so bright, circling the train in graceful flight. He landed softly on the caboose roof, squawking tunes in lively proof. Elephant heard the rumbling beat, came to the station with heavy feet. He climbed aboard with careful care, filling the carriage with jungle flair. The jungle train rolled loud and strong, animals riding all day long. Past green vines and flowers wide, through tall grass on either side. They reached a bridge above a stream, water sparkling like a dream. The train moved slow in steady line, while crocs below relaxed in shine. Next came hills of soft brown clay, where tigers watched in calm display. They nodded once as the train sped through, joining the rhythm in quiet view. A waterfall roared in misty spray, cooling the heat of the sunny day. The train steamed past with joyful sound, splashing drops all around. Monkey started a drumming beat, elephant tapped with steady feet. Parrot sang in perfect tune, snake swayed lightly in afternoon. The jungle danced with happy cheer, as the train rolled far and near. Every twist and every bend turned adventure into a friend. When the sky turned orange and deep, animals felt a peaceful sleep. The jungle train slowed down at last, ending the journey long and vast. They waved goodbye at the station gate, dreaming of rides they'd recreate. For in the jungle, strong and free, train adventures fill hearts with